Hi guys, today we're back to our channel. So today we're going to teach you guys what is percentage. Percents. Let's just first practice. Let's go. So percentage is like that's 1%, 2%, up to 100%. That's more than 100%. 100% is a whole like a fraction that's like 3 of 3, or that's 100%. As you can see, this is a 34%. Since there's one field shaded areas, mean it had to be at least 100%. But 191, since this is a 91%. As you can see, there are 100 squares. Each square represents 1%. As you can see, there's 6 squares, so it's 6%. No, not 5, 6. I was right. Each big circle. Oh no, not circle. Squares. There are 86. 186. Now after I did this, as you can see, there's 9 rows, and each row have 10. So it's 9, and there's 2 additional squares, so it's 92%. Next, as you can see, there's a half and a 2. So a half is a 50%, plus a 2 is 52%. Next is 122%. And I did very good. Now we're going to teach you guys about percentage right now. Just ignore this. Oh yeah, and like and subscribe to as that thing says. Now 100% is equal to 2 of 2 equal to 1. A 50% is equal to 1 of 2 equal 0.5, a decimal. Now if there's something like if there's 500 liters of milk in one container, and if they ask the milk 500 liter milk in a container, and then they ask what's 10% of it. 100%, 10% is just 8. It's just 10 times lesser than 100%, meaning we just have to divide 500 to 10, so it's easy, it's 50 liters. So the answer is 50 liters. As you can see, is correct. Next, percentages. If you guys asking what is, have you guys ever seen any percentage in real life? Well, I see one in the sale, like those 20% off prices. Those 20% off prices mean you just have to pay 80% of the real price. That's it. The percentage could be more than just 100. It could be like 110, because that I use 10 a lot, because 10 when you are going to go on test, and as percentage test, 10 is the most useful basic, because if you wanna know what 10% is in like a 567, you cannot just divide it by 7. First you have to do is make it to a 10 first. You have to make it a 10 first, then make it a 1, making 1% of 100 of 567 is 5.67. Then you just times 7, and you got the answer. That's why 10 is really useful. Sometimes you see like 19, where that? And after you get if it's a 17, you just get the result plus with a 56.7 and you got the answer. That's it. So percentage is like percent of something. And I told you, percent can be used in both ratios and fractions. Now I'm going to teach you what the benefit of 10% is. Every time you have to think of number like 32% of a like 5, 6, 7, 8 something. All you have to do first is just put a decimal point to make a 10% times 3 and make another decimal point and then times 2 and then plus 2 of this together. That's why 10 is a really important 10% is a really important number that you use on the test. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Bye, guys.